Hello, this video is to show you how to calculate your homework average for Math 1342 because it's not set up to do it correctly in my math lab. And what I'm doing is there's 24 scores and I'm dropping the lowest 6. So your best 18 will count. And I'm going to show you how you can set up a little spreadsheet and save it yourself, and then when you edit a score and change some scores, you'll see how it will affect your average. And this is how I'm going to calculate your average after the deadline is through for all the homework. Now, of course, in my math lab, if you've made hundreds on every one of them already, then it probably does it correctly. But don't trust anything it shows you in my math lab other than the scores itself, the individual scores for each assignment. So let's come over here. I put in a label here, homework, and you need to put, it needs to be 0, 1 here, not just 1, it has to be 0, 1. And I'm going to grab the right corner, and we'll drag this down all the way to cell A24. And look at that, so it shows the headings in for all the homeworks. All right. Now, just save some time here, I went ahead and just took some mythical scores I just made up over here, and I'm going to bring those over. I'll just cut them because I don't need to save them over there or anything. Okay. So then you would, of course, would enter your scores. Okay, let's see. Now, what this is showing you right here is not the correct average. It's just averaging the first 18 scores it has in there. But so what we need to do is we need to sort these in decreasing order, because it's going to do average. You see there's the command right there I put in the cell to the left here. It's the average of the first 18, but we need to rank them though, so it's the highest 18. So I'm going to grab these, kind of keep them together, because you want to keep the right score. Okay. I'm going to go to sort, data sort, and so I can just, well, I could just click on, well, let's see. We go by, I want them highest, I want the bottom one, highest to lowest. And okay, it turns out I do need to come into here and sort it this way. So I'm going to sort by column B and then largest to smallest. So it should keep, yeah, there we go. So you see now the scores in column B on down, and then it's taking the top 18. So you see those bottom 6 then are not being counted. All right, but you also see it's changed around, you know, the order of the homeworks. All right, so then that would be your average. Now, to undo this, you know, for the time being, you look at this, you want to go back and highlight this again, select all these cells, and this time we're going to do a sort, but we're going to sort by column A, largest to smallest. Or A to Z, I guess would be, yeah. And now you see it's put everything back in the correct homework order, because that way, if you want to go edit a few scores, I forgot what that average was that it showed after we sorted it, but obviously you can back up the video and look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to maybe, let's say, okay, let's say we've done some of these here. Let's say 100, put in 100 here. Yeah, so how often you want to check this is up to you. You know, you might, anytime you slightly change one assignment, you may not want to check it, but certainly if you've significantly changed, you know, a couple of them, you can look anytime you want to. Okay, so I'll just say I changed those two. Maybe I came up here and made that one 100. I don't know. Okay. So then we go back and do what we did first time. We grab these, select all 24, and we sort, this time by column B, and not smallest to largest. I want largest to smallest. Okay, and do that. And then I don't remember the original average, but it clearly went up. You know, those extra hundreds raise it up. So that's how you can be sure, you know, we're doing the homework average correctly, because that's exactly what I'm going to be calculating, is your best 18 scores. So this way now you know how to do it easily with Excel. And I think that concludes this video.